This is FIMI X8 Mini drone, and today I would like to show how you can assemble the remote controller of this device. So, once you have taken out the RC out of its packaging, I recommend that you begin by unfolding those antennas. Then look underneath the remote controller to take out the control sticks and then screw them into this little sphere. Or I actually have no idea how this rotating ball is properly called, but I guess that's not important, or too important at the very least. Now what I want you to do is to take the appropriate connection cable, so of which you should have gotten 3. And well, depending on which phone you have, you will have to pick a corresponding data transfer or connection cable. In my case, since I will connect an iPhone to the remote controller, I've went with Lightning, obviously. So now connect or plug this little cable into the phone. Then mount it. So hide this little wire cover into the pocket, very convenient pocket you have at the right side of your remote controller. So as you can see, the RC is retractable, so you can fit the phone of any length. So the phone is mounted now and it sits stiffly, so it should not get out. Hopefully. Now, I think I've made a very rookie mistake and haven't properly positioned the cable. So you should make it so that the Type-C part of your cable or the remote controller part looks down, not up like it is in my case. So let me quickly flip it like that. Now I can once again retract the remote controller. And finally, we can plug this part of the wire into the Type-C output or input you have at the bottom of your drone, or a remote controller rather. So now everything is assembled and everything is properly wired up. All that is left to do is for you to simply launch the FIMI app, FIMI Flying app, and everything should connect together. But that's the story and the topic for another video, so I will separately record how to set everything up so everything will be ready to fly. But as for now, as far as the assembly of the remote controller goes, that'll be it. That's how you do that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.